Hello friends, welcome to GK for you. Today is a special 79th Independence Day 2025 quiz. Let's see how many you can answer. Let's begin. Question number 1. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? And the options are A. Swadeshi movement, B. Quit India movement, C. Salt Satyagraha, D. Non-cooperation movement. And the correct answer is Quit India movement. Question number 2. Who gave the slogan Give me blood and I will give you freedom? And the options are A. Bhagat Singh, B. Lala Lajpat Rai, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the correct answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 3. When did India gain independence from British rule? And the options are A. 15th August 1947, B. 26 January 1950, C. 2nd October 1947, D. 14th August 1950. And the correct answer is 15th August 1947. Question number 4. Who was the first Prime Minister of Independent India? And the options are A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Question number 5. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? And the options are A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Lord Mountbatten. And the correct answer is Lord Mountbatten. Question number 6. In which city was the first round table conference held in 1930? And the options are A. Bombay, B. Delhi, C. London, D. Madras. And the correct answer is London. Question number 7. The Indian National Congress was founded in which year? And the options are A. 1947, B. 1915, C. 1857, D. 1885. And the correct answer is 1885. Question number 8. Which revolutionary threw a bomb in the Central Legislative Assembly in 1929? And the options are A. Rajguru, B. Bhagat Singh, C. Udham Singh, D. Chandrasekhar Azad. And the correct answer is Bhagat Singh. Question number 9. The slogan Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it was given by, and the options are A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, B. Lala Lajpat Rai, C. Rajguru, D. Bhagat Singh. And the correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 10. Who founded the Indian National Army? And the options are A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Mohan Singh, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And the correct answer is Mohan Singh. Question number 11. Who led the Salt March with Mahatma Gandhi in 1930? And the options are A. C. Rajagopalachari, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Sarojini Naidu. And the correct answer is Sarojini Naidu. Question number 12. Who designed the Indian national flag? And the options are A. Pingali Venkaiah, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, D. Bikaji Kama. And the correct answer is Pingali Venkaiah. Question number 13. Which leader is known as the Iron Man of India? And the options are A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. And the correct answer is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Question number 14. Who was the last British Viceroy of India? And the options are A. Lord Dalhousie, B. Lord Canning, C. Lord Mountbatten, D. Lord Curzon. And the correct answer is Lord Mountbatten. Question number 15. In which year did the Indian National Congress form its first government? And the options are A. 1937, B. 1935, C. 1945, D. 1942. And correct answer is 1937. Question number 16. Who was the first president of independent India? And the options are A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Sarojini Naidu. And the correct answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 17. When was the Indian national flag adopted by the Constituent Assembly? And the options are A. 15th August 1947, B. 19 December 1961, C. 22nd July 1947, D. 2nd October 1947. And the correct answer is 22nd July 1947. Question number 18. Who composed the national song of India Vande Mataram? And the options are A. Kavi Pradeep, B. Swami Vivekanand, C. Rabindranath Tagore, D. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. And the correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Question number 19. Which leader is known for the Dandi March of 1930? And the options are A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. And the correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 20. Which color in the Indian national flag represents strength, courage and sacrifice? And the options are A. White, B. Saffron, C. Blue, D. Green. And the correct answer is saffron. That's the end of our special Independence Day quiz. How many answers did you get correct? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GK4U for more fun and educational quizzes. Wishing you all a very happy 79th Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.